Hello everyone, my name is Victor Valentine Jaffet, and I'm excited to discuss my understanding of SQL and its core concept. Then from the first question, I will use an analogy. I will imagine a massive high organized library with many shelves and books. Then this library is the database. Then the database is full of information stored in tables, which is like the individual's bookshelves. Now, in the SQL library, I need to know where every book is. You just needed to ask the, the librarian, and the librarian is like the SQL for what I need. For example, I could say, can I have a list of the science fiction books published after 2010? Then SQL is the language you use to ask that question. It's standardized. Then I'll now manage the information in the digital library without causing chaos. Then we are now go to the second question. In the second question, keys are fundamental for defining relationships and ensuring uniqueness in a database. The main types are, we have the primary key. The primary key is a column or a set of columns that uniquely identifies each row in a table. Then we also have the foreign key. Then the foreign key, this is the key that creates a link between two tables. It is a column in one table that points to the primary key in another table. Then we'll now go to the next key, which is the unique key. Then the unique key similarly is like a primary key. It ensures all values are in a column and they are unique. The key difference is that a table can only have one primary key, but it can have multiple unique keys. A good example is an email address, column in a user's table. Then I now move to the next question, that is question 3. Then in question 3, certainly joins are used to combine rows. Joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on related column. Then I'll have the inner join. This is the most frequent and used join. It returns only the records that have matching values. That's matching values in both tables. We have the left join. This returns all records from left table and match records from the right table. Then we have the right join. This is the opposite of a left join. It returns all records from the right table and matched records from the left table. Then we have the full outer join. The full outer join returns all records from, and that is when there is a match in either the left or right table. Then question 4. In question 4, data integrity is absolutely critical. It is the assurance that only data is accurate, consistent, and reliable throughout its entire life cycle. Then in my work, it's not just a technical requirement, it's the foundation of trustworthy analysis. Without data integrity, any insight reports or machine learning methods we will build are fundamentally flawed, garbage in, garbage out as required. I want to thank you for your time, and I'm happy that I've been able to satisfy you with the answers to those questions as required. Thank you.